Sanibona Ndumelani Afshini, hi, welcome to Tumi's Tea. Itiye elishisa bhe kodwa lifuna ukuthi uliphuze uhamba. Lifuna ukuthi uhlele phansi uzokwazi ukuli-enjoy so that ungashi. Ngoma uzohamba sosha. Well, uNotabaloyi was at Mahu's secret garden ezihambela nebhengqwane lakhe ubaby wakhe. Muhle kanjani ugel? Nami ngazihambela kanjena. Aba bantu ethi bathi amakhamera ngishuthe ilabo balapho nje babhizi bayamshutha nogel, and they are not aware ukuthi okay, paparazzi is following us. Yabo, those type of vibe is giving celebrity, is giving legend, is giving I've done a lot for the industry like you always says, you know. Hayi bamshute kanjalo uNota nje angene lapha ku-X. Yazini guys, why are you focusing on me? Now just going there to support Mahu, those type of vibe. Hayi paparazzi yani uyabo, those I can't manje ngisakwazi nokuthi ngibe like ngithole privacy, violation of privacy, those type yabo. Abantu bathi hayi wena Nota uyithanda kabi paparazzi. Noma ngijabulile, you're probably celebrating ukuthi finally amakhamera yangishuta, finally people are checking out my life, those type of vibes, you know. But you know, you're not worried, and you could even see by the replies ukuthi nah, he's enjoying. He's not a fame. I mean, why not? I mean, I want to I mean, you have the ability to mtanisekhaya, to malapo, but famous. I mean, plus the monetization. And he was like, these bloggers trying to monetize with my image, you know. I mean, when afuthi, bule economy, let's monetize whatever, you know. But one thing I have to say, the girlfriend, honey, kuyashisa. Even Nota is stunning, ushisa mpe. But anyway, Nota uyasanela abantu abahle. I mean, no Berita. Is it Berita? Even Berita was stunning, according to me. Naturally beautiful. Asikhulumeni nge-content creator yethu iBawuza Lamabhawu. Umuntu oshaya i-content sizibuza ukuthi uyicabange kanjani mara lento. When did you come up with this? How did you come up with this? You know, those type of vibes. Umaki the Shopper Queen. One thing about Umaki the Shopper Queen is the fact that people had a lot to say about how she looks, but she did not care. She was like, ngizowenza whether bayafuna abafuni ngoba inemali ngizoyenza, and she did it. Wavele washutha umntana abantu waziphendula ihlanya phambi kwethu sibuka sithi hayibo Maki asithela ngenhlabathi sithi sibukile udle ezinye izinto hayibo yazi ithi month end asikhiphele i-proof for POP athi yeyi nayi 100K a month. So we are like, yo, siya university siyofunda kade abomaki baswela imali engaka. Hayibo mina ngisafunda nesikole nami ngifuna ukuba i-content creator. Kuyadliwa lana, kade kuyadlisa lana kunemali. And Maki was like, yes, senza imali. And a lot of people were gatekeeping. But Maki was like, no, I'm going to plug my brothers and sisters with hey, ikela nidlalani ngedata lokho busy posting imibhedo yenu lapho ku Facebook, don't post us sometimes kuyenziwa imali asidleni bantwana basekhaya. And we saw a lot of people, even our favorite content creators, abosithatha sabona siba lapha baposta ngithi hayibo busy every day uyafaka uyatega uyenzani sathi sibhekile sabona uLondi London ngathi hayibo Londi, is that you? I mean, I remember a lot of celebrities were like, no, we don't have Facebook. Facebook is for people that are poor. Hey, it's giving low quality vibes abotumi kanje namakhamera wabo abhedayo nama-background abhedayo. We were like, okay, sina sihlalela kuma-Facebook lokho silayikhelana yabo. And it's in a Facebook ushamthina abantu basekasi. We're not looking at money. Space is like, you know, sifuna ukubona ukuthi ubani uphumelele besifunda naye who is successful, those type of vibes. Kanti masithi Maki sibhange sithi why mara Maki ezihlayisa ngaka. I mean, what's in it for her? Yabo kanti Maki uzidlela imali kudala beyidla bengasitsheli besinqintshe besivalela ngaphandle. Wafika uMaki wathi yazini ngiyonikhulula ngiyoba uNelson Mandela wenu, be the voice for the voiceless. And she was like, hey kunemali sangena angayitholi imali ku Facebook angangamonetize yazi namanje, but it's fine, we'll get them. Hi Umaki sambona Umaki wathi 2 million followers, and we were like, wow, congratulations Umaki, yeah. Umaki sathi 2 million jiki how. There's a story ukuthi Umaki lost her 2 million followers, and we're like, how Umaki? Oh, sorry Maki. But Umaki was like, you know what? And then Mikey, because she's someone that loves to give back. Mikey was like, you know what? You know, so of abamnyama who I'd like to give out to someone, those type of angazi ukuthi bawathole kanjani, whether it was a competition or I was happy with I'm giving back because one thing about Mikey, she's for the people. I love her soul. I wish a lot of people were like her. So Mikey took Usofa, okay, put it in a bin. It's a 4x4, I think. Asinhla, angazange shem uMikey efike. Umaki on her way, the car broke down. Imagine. Yazi ungazibuza ukuthi into zabantu yini kibuloyi or king. Hayi bulanda impilo banyana. Bulanda impilo uxwela unhloya ngumaki because what the hell? 2 million followers gone kanje. Manje imoto gone kanje, but it's not gone. But distraction. But Mike was like, you know what? Mike is a very positive person. Was like, you know what? I'm gonna come back. Ngizobuya poza yami. Ngizobuya ngamandla amasha. Nalothu uyangizama yazini. You know what? Angeke kulunge. And for watching till this far, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time when I drop another banger.